Hello friends, this is B.R. Vandari. Today I will talk about top 5 most powerful candlestick pattern. So let's start. The first pattern is bullish engulfing. Bullish engulfing pattern is most powerful pattern, and in the world most of traders trade with this pattern. This pattern consists of two candles. First candle is narrow range candle and it closes down, and the second candle is wide range candle. It starts below from first day closing and it closes above the first day opening. It is not enough to only identify this pattern, but it is most important that how to trade with this pattern. So I will show you an example how to trade with this pattern. Let me open the chart. Before trading in this market, it is most important to follow the trading rules. There are many rules in this market, but today I will talk about 3 most important trading rules. If you will follow these 3 rules and 5 candlestick pattern, then I will guarantee you your success graph will cross above 90%. So what is the first rule? The first rule is to find out support and resistance level. To find out support and resistance level, first of all, draw horizontal support and horizontal resistance level. In my next video, I will show how to draw it. And then draw trend line. It also works great support and resistance. And use 25 period of simple moving average to get support and resistance level. The second rule is trade only in trend, because trend is your friend. Buy only in uptrend and sell only in downtrend. In this market, more than 95% people fail because they buy in downtrend and they sell in uptrend. But you never do like so. This is my request for you. And the third rule is only buy in support and sell in resistance level. Okay? Always follow this rule. Now we will talk about our engulfing pattern. Look here. This is bullish engulfing pattern. It also got support here at horizontal support and closes above the 25 period of moving average. So it is great opportunity to buy here. Enter your position here when it crosses this engulfing candle's height and put your stop loss little bit below of this candle. Let me show where to put your stop loss. Here. And your target should be at least 2 times than your stop loss. Around here. You can also see another opportunity here. Okay, now we will talk about our second candlestick pattern. The second candlestick is hammer. This candle looks like a hammer, therefore it is called hammer. This candlestick form at the end of a downtrend. It has a long leg and short body. Its lower shadow should be twice or more than twice its body. Let's have a look at an example of this candle. It is here. It got support here, a trend line, and closes above the 25 period of moving average. So enter your buy position here. This is confirmation candle for an uptrend and follow the rule of stop loss and target point. Use your stop loss below of this low around here and take profit more than double of your stop loss, at least here. And you can also hold and see the trend. Well, the next candle is Arami. In this pattern, you can see the first day is wide range bearish candle which closes near the bottom of its range. And the second day candle is a narrow range candle. It starts above from first day closing and it closes up the day but below the first day opening. When you see this pattern, buy at support and place your stop loss and target point as I shown in previous candle. Now the fourth pattern is piercing. In this pattern, both candles are large candles. First day candle is bearish candle and it closes near its low, and the second day candle start below from first day closing and it's go up and close below the first day opening. When you see this pattern, buy at support level. The last candle is doji candle. In this candle, market closed near the opening price. After opening, it travel very slowly, little up and little down from its opening price, and ultimately it closed near the opening price. So these are 5 candlestick pattern. Use this candle in your trade and earn money. In my next video, I will talk about bearish candlestick pattern, how to draw horizontal and support level, how to draw trend line, how to use Fibonacci retracement level, and many other things. To get my video in your single search, please like and subscribe this video. Wish you all the best. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck.